How to create an account on Xuper TV in just 2 minutes. Today I'm going to show in this step-by-step guide how to sign up and get access quickly so you can start watching and exploring content without getting stuck during setup. Begin by opening the Xuper TV app or website on your device. Once the home screen loads, look for the sign up or create account option and select it. This opens the registration page where your details will be entered. Enter your email address or phone number, depending on what the platform requires. Create a password that is easy to remember but secure. After filling in the details, continue to the next step. The platform may send a verification code to your email or phone. Open the message, copy the code, and enter it in the verification field. This confirms that the account belongs to you and allows the setup to continue. After verification, complete your profile if prompted. This might include choosing preferences, language, or content categories. These selections help personalize what appears on your home screen. Once finished, select Confirm or Create Account. You will be taken directly into the app's main dashboard. From there, browse shows, explore categories, and start watching. If the sign-up process does not work, double-check your email or phone number and make sure the verification code is entered correctly. Trying again or restarting the app can resolve most issues. Creating an account on Xuper TV is mainly about entering your basic details, confirming them through a verification step, and completing a simple profile. After that, the platform is ready to use and you can begin exploring content right away without needing extra setup.